Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs like this on the sides using the rubber bands. Now comb it properly, divide them into small sections. Now rotate it using this hair styling tool. After that, divide them into two parts, make a heart shape, fix it, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and comb it properly like this. Now divide it into small sections, make the plaits and fix it in the front. Now take the hairs on the back, tie the plaits and join all the hairs together. Divide them into small sections using the rubber bands. Pull out the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this in the front and then rotate it using this hair styling tool. After rotating the hairs, divide it into two parts and make the plaits. Now again rotate it as shown in the video, fix it like this. Join the hairs on the back together and it's done. Next, tie the ponytail on the sides. Take few sections of the hairs and rotate it like this. Now fix the hairs into each other, make a bow on the side, fix it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs like this. Fix it on the top by making the plaits, join all of them, make the plaits and make a bun, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this using the rubber band and then rotate it using this hair styling tool. Now divide them into small sections using the rubber bands like this, make a heart shape, join it, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.